A cat was sitting on the chair. A cat was sitting on the chair. A dog beat her on the leg. A dog beat her on the leg. Don't climb on this. Don't climb on this. Don't leave the TV on. Don't leave the TV on. Don't put it on my desk. Don't put it on my desk. Don't tell on me. Don't tell on me. He can be relied on. He can be relied on. He hit me on the head. He hit me on the head. He jumped on the train. He jumped on the train. He lay down on the bed. He lay down on the bed. He lives on the street. He lives on the street. He sat on the bench. He sat on the bench. He set out on a lonely journey. He set out on a lonely journey. He was sitting on a bench. He was sitting on a bench. I acted on his advice. I acted on his advice. I am here on business. I am here on business. I count on Tom. I count on Tom. I feel like going on a trip. I feel like going on a trip. I got on the wrong bus. I got on the wrong bus. I got on the wrong train. I got on the wrong train. I like to ride on trains. I like to ride on trains. I live on the bottom floor. I live on the bottom floor. I turn on the lights. I turn on the lights. I will act on your advice. I will act on your advice. I am on a diet. I am on a diet. It's on me. It's on me. Please turn on the radio. Please turn on the radio. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Put your hat on. Put your hat on. She kept on talking. She kept on talking. She kept on working. She kept on working. She sat next to him on the bus. She sat next to him on the bus. The boy sat on a chair. The boy sat on a chair. The bullet hit him in the chest. The bullet hit him in the chest. The light is on. The light is on. The train arrived on time. The train arrived on time. There is a melon on the table. There is a melon on the table. There is an apple on the desk. There is an apple on the desk. They agreed on a price. They agreed on a price. They will agree on that. They will agree on that. This drink is on the house. This drink is on the house. This is based on fact. This is based on fact. Tom is never on time. Tom is never on time. Try on this sweater. Try on this sweater. We lay on the grass. We lay on the grass. We traveled on foot. We traveled on foot. Write on every other line. Write on every other line. You can count on her. You can count on him. You can rely on her. You can rely on him. Your book is on the desk. Your book is on the desk. You are on the right track. You are on the right track.